yung buhay niyo, paano niyo ibitawan yung promise na always and forever?
Nako. How did we do it?
Parang wala na kami yung choice kasi like we said it earlier, di ba? Parang whatever it is, siguro yung personal lives namin will not ever be an always or forever. But somehow on stage, because we feel that that is where we both belong together, there will always be an always and forever.
Also in being both parents to Robin and Ram, and of course grandparents to Finn, that's always, that's forever. Everyone has a different element of always and forever. You start a new one with a new relationship, hoping you will reach that same goal. It's always a goal. It's not really a destination, it's a goal. But if you could use it in a different way, like what Pop says, I think I do agree. As far as this tandem is concerned, for as long as there were songs to sing and people to entertain and inspire, maybe change a few lives by making them remember the old days when things were still good or when music was still good. If there's an audience who's willing to do that and take that journey with us, this tandem is always and forever. My admiration and love for all that she does, always and forever. Our love for our children and their future and being alive as long as we can to see them realize their dreams, that's always and forever.
Poster boy and girl din kasi kayo ng ang mga ex, pwede pa naman BFFs din ano?
Pwede pala.
We started-
Actually, madami akong mga nakakilala na they've also remained friends. Maybe they don't do shows together, maybe they're not on stage together, but somehow they have managed to be friends just to make the family system work.
I just answered a question just now from Dolly Ann, and she asked me that same question, kung paano, bakit kayo pa rin? Parang walang ending, walang talagang always and forever. I said, wow, what advice can you give to those exes? And it's very simple for me anyway. God put us together for some reason. I don't know what it was. To have Robin and Ram, to have the past that we did, to go through the good and bad together, to end up on this stage in front of you this afternoon. Whatever God's purpose was, He put us together for a reason. Exes should realize that before they start nitpicking kung sino may kasalanan. Alam namin na kung sino may kasalanan, di ba? Let's move on. Let's try and see where can we go from here. How do we start? How did we start? It was God's plan to have us together for some reason, whatever that is. And I think that's why we're able to do what we do. I think that's why I'm still very much excited to work with her, to be with her on the same stage, share the feeling with her, whatever it is. I'm cool with it because I think God really put us together for a reason. And I think it's to sing and perform for all of you. And to be the parents that we are, where we are, how we can be for our children.
And maybe one reason then is si Finn, di ba? Kaya,
Now we know.
Yes.
Now there's a Finn.
And speaking of Finn, paano niyo i-describe ang isa't isa as grandparents? Anong klaseng lolo si Martin? Anong klaseng lolo?
I'll start. Kasi napakadali to describe Pops. Not a Lola.
Why?
That's it. Anything that's not a Lola.
No, I'm very much.
Stage mother, yes. She's already dressing him in her mind. Anong susutin niya sa second birthday niya?
No.
Anong concept ng bagong party niya?
I'm a very selosa lola. Ayan. I want Finn all for myself.
You should see her when the other Lola's holding it. She'll go like this. Mark, mali. Tingnan niyo.
Uy, sobra ka! Baka naman sabihin.
Oh my God.
Wala lang. Siguro dahil first, I feel na also because of the distance, no? Because nga hindi kami parati magkasama. Gusto ko yung every chance that I am with Finn, I want every minute parang gano'n. I know naman it's not possible. But yun, siguro just to make up for the loss of time. Kaya sabi ko, selosa lola.
Si Mark.
How am I sa Lola daw?
Lolo. Martin is always a very, Martin likes to spoil, diba? So, I can see Martin spoiling Finn in, ano ba yun? Iba kasi yung spoil na love. Si Martin is always material spoiled. I'm sure, pag nagparinig si Finn at a very young age, I want a car.
Meron na.
Tuturuan ko si Finn. Tell your lolo you want a car. At the age of 5, car.
Thank you.
You're welcome, Anna. Anything else, June, Lali?
Yeah, thank you, Anna. Siyempre, ito, from Marisol Academy tonight. The editor of Abante tonight, walang iba kundi si Roldan Caso. Talagang nag-stay siya. Oo. Talagang pinili niya na mag-stay.
Hello po, meron po bang mga bagong songs na napag-usapan niyo
Wala.
na mapapanood na?
Madami. Like we said, madaming luma na bago.
Yung bago para sa amin dalawa, na never sung together before.
Yes. So we also want to please our audience, no? And I would read a lot of comments saying na sana po kantahin niyo to and all that. Of course, we can't do all of their requests, but we will try to do most of it. We listen and we aim to please. So
It's hard to please them all though. Like when I sing something new, they don't want to hear anything new. They want to be my lady, say that you love me, the promise, or and your favorite song before? Wildflower? Which one? No Way to Treat the Heart. I mean, everyone wants to hear the old songs that I recorded, that you recorded, that we did together many years ago. But we're trying to do a mixture of all. Some old, new, and some new, old.
Pero, game po ba kayo na i-perform yung kanta ng Dini, ng SB19?
Yes.
If ever na may chance.
Game. Even.
as long as we can learn yun. Ayan. At saka sana bagay, di ba? We don't want to do naman anything that's...
We might try a couple of new songs. Ayaw pa lang sabihin kasi baka
Meron din. A little bit of everything. It's a little bit of everything.
Tapos, ano pong start nyo sa mga kanta na may mura? At willing di ba kayong kantahin ito sa stage?
Ano hindi naman
Be my
bagay sa...
lady.
Ano hindi naman bagay sa akin, di ba?
Pero anong pananaw nyo po sa mga ganong klaseng kanta na may mura?
Well, we should not comment because that's their style and that is today, right?
Shock factor.
Iba na ngayon eh. Iba ngayon. Ngayon kasi mas in-express nila yung nararamdaman nila. Dati kasi we express it through poems. Galit ka pero very poetic pa rin yung mga lyrics. Ngayon iba na, mas vocal sila. They're not afraid to use certain words. They're not afraid to express what they actually feel in a very, very long sentence.
Back in the day, we would hide behind our songs. We felt that the songs that we write or sing have to express another part of us. The singers and composers of today, who I am, and I can speak for Pops, who we are so proud of because they've really taken OPM to the next level. They are not afraid to show who they are, what they say, how they say it. Like that song with the swear word in it. He needs to say that because that's him. How do I know this? I watched his concert, JK. This JK we're talking about, right? I watched his concert and I was in awe. Not because he was doing flip-flops and flying in the air, but because he gave so much of himself. And I didn't get it because I'm not a follower the way his fans are. Now, it's the era of singers with their own fans who grew up with them, who know them. If he doesn't say the P word or sing the P song, it's not going to be complete. I need to know about that relationship when he needed to really get the attention of that girl, that he had to say the P word. We've all done that, di ba? So for me, hindi sila takot magbigay todo yung talagang buong
Like I
puso,
said,
their whole life.
they're more expressive and they're not afraid to say what they want to say.
But OPM is so nice now. I'm such a fan of all these new songs. I love what they're doing and where they're going. Even better, I love where they're taking us, all of us.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Roldan. At syempre, eto, si Dinya Vivar. Hi, Dinya.
Hello. Hello, Martin Pops.
Gardenia? Like the garden?
Sa taga-taga niya ng...
Gardener? Sorry.
Sa taga-taga niya na nag-concert, meron po bang challenge or pressure sa
exciting, di ba? Parang it's just a walk in the park.
You mean as
Sa amin, sa
our performance level? You mean?
Always. Sabi ko nga, dahil hindi naman kami nag-uusap eh. We never talk about what we want to say. We do have a script to follow, but kawawa naman our writer, we never. We never really follow it. There is a guide.
They get paid, but we never follow.
Yeah, I think it's better for us kasi when we're spontaneous, when it's unexpected.
And because
And
of
that's where the challenge happens for both of
But the
us.
professional challenges that I think you're speaking of, with these new singers, new fans, fandemonium, and what it is, what fandemonium is today as compared to our time, there's a lot of pressure. I was asking Pops when she asked me to do this show, I said, Moa, Amina, can we still do that? Can we still fill up that big place? So we're really challenged, even professionally, business-wise, how to get these people, some of them from the grave. Can you wake up, please? Mark, remember Martin
Grabe
Nicolas?
ba?
Do you remember Martin Nicolas?
Well, my fans are very baguettes.
So, that's a
But hindi
challenge.
nga, yun nga yung fun part doon, di ba? We get to see our audience who probably we haven't seen in a long time, and they only get together pag meron kaming show, di ba? Sino yung makausap ko siya?
Mga zombie.
Ang sama na ugali. So, yeah, yun. So, syempre, excited kami to perform for them. di ba?
More than the pressure, excitement.
Excitement.
Yes. May pressure pa rin. May pressure pa rin doon because we never really know. Even if we sing a song so many times, and even if we do a show so many times, may pressure pa rin yan because it's always a different audience that we are performing for. So we never really know, mag-enjoy ba sila? Tayo ba nila to? Okay ba kami? 100% okay ba ako today? Diba? May mga ganun.
Tapos magtanong kayo, kung kaya nila mag-fill up ng isang venue, kung walang social media, sa panahon natin ni Paz, walang social media, the power of the press, what you guys did for us for the last 40 plus years, whether or not there's social media, what you've done for us to make us larger than life, even the bad press, not the bad press, the bad press, even that helped sustain our careers for as long as we've been standing here. So, for me, the new singers of today should appreciate the fact that it's so much easier to promote the show than it was back then. And they should also respect the press. They should know how important you are. You have made us all last this long. What's going to sustain them? Diba? Social media. Ikaw may brown out. May brown out.
Pang-ilan mo sa MOA, Ari? Pang-ilan mo?
90,000 I think. No, mga 90,000?
Marami.
Ang ilan naming show is that what you said?
Oh, akala mo I know how many people in the show.
Ah,
Wow.
Samoa.
Good question.
Wala.
Samoa?
Ako Samoa.
We've never done one together, just you and I in Moa.
No. But I did foursome.
We did foursome, we did some collab shows,
Yes.
which I
But
think
yeah,
is the
first
sign of
time
the times.
together.
Yes.
Normally it's at the other venues.
Yeah.
Tapos, last question, Martin Pops. Total pre-Valentine concert to. How will you spend your Valentine's Day?
Like every Valentine's Day. we're-
Ako kasi wala akong love life. So I usually...
we need to change
napaparinig
that.
ko, ayan. I usually spend my
That's what you should be
Valentine's Day
asking.
with my single lady friends. Ayan. Parang for the past how many years we made a pact that every Valentine's Day, whether or not meron silang love life, we will spend it together. So, sana hindi magbago. Diba sila, may asawa sila.
Oh, yung mga walang asawa.
Oo, yung mga single lady
The
friends.
smart ones, you mean.
So that's always, I never really spent Valentine's with a date. Parang hindi naman, maski na kami, hindi naman kami nag-date na. Parang
Even
kami
us,
may
never.
show
Not
dati.
once.
So maybe I experienced it once or twice. And then that's it.
Si Martin.
And then that's it.
Si Martin.
Same. Oh, because 14th I have a show, so I'm working. I will bring my Valentine with me to, where are we going? Where are we? Tacloban. I have a show there. First time also, solo concert with a band and all, like the old days in Tacloban for their Valentine's. Kasi dito, puno-puno na dito sa Valentine's, ang dami yung shows. All good, all great. You're gonna love them all. Watch them all.
Last na talaga. Natatandaan niyo po ba yung last Valentine celebration niyo together? Yung celebration talaga, hindi lang show.
Well, one time we had a date after the show in the Ultra, remember?
Yeah.
I'm not telling you everything, I'm just telling you this. We had dinner there.
Yeah.
Remember?
Because nga hindi kami ever nagsiselebrate ng Valentine's
Did we
Day.
ever have a date?
Yeah, parang hindi talaga.
That's
We're
so
always working. Tapos,
Backstage.
I think there was one year na wala kaming Valentine's show. We didn't know what to do with each other. It's like, wala tayong show, what are we gonna do?
Wala pang
It's
Netflix.
not a normal Valentine's thing for us.
It was weird not having a Valentine's show. There's back in the day, I don't know if you know this, but managers used to meet. Okay, sino sa September? Sino sa November? Nagpaplano talaga ng concerts. No one ever said they wanted Valentine's. O yung Valentine's, kay Pops and Martin yun. That's how respectful all the management was. Remember? I mean, not saying that they're not respectful now, but now, you know, patong-patong yung mga shows ngayon. Pero back in the day, you know this day, back in the day, they would actually ask, who wants November? September, okay. Valentine's, Pops and Martin. Okay, next, January. Patay sa January, what's January? Ganun, before. Because we were the ones who started doing this conducting Valentine's shows.
No one there. No one there.
No one dared.
Not no one dared. You can use those words, I won't. D-A.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Vinya Biboy. Yung best na klase din. Pero ito, si Miss Pilar Mateo. Then we're going to our content vloggers.
Kaya isang tanong lang talagang for the past years, ilang concerts, ilang shows, meron ba kayo talagang isang hindi makakalimutan nangyari sa concert niyo? Solo or group kayo magkasama?
See, we're talking about it
We're
and we have
talking
the
about it,
same
and we realize it's the same one.
Yes. We were in Barcelona. Ayun na.
Okay, rewind. Should I rewind or no more?
Barcelona.
Okay. It was in Barcelona, Spain.
It was not a very, it was a dramatic moment.
Galing sa away.
Hindi kami nag-away, hindi kami nag-usap.
Usap.
Ayun.
Until the stage.
Oh
my God.
18
years ago.
Alam ko, no? Basta, yun.
Yun lang ang pinaka.
Yun yung pinaka siguro. Because
Hindi
it was,
maganda. Pero
Well, yeah,
maganda.
yung pinakamagandang nangyari, wow. Wow.
sige, ikaw yan, Mark.
I would have to say that the two shows in Araneta, that was 6 hours of singing. That's 3 hours each show in the same day. Remember? It was not yet Star Media, it was Maxi Media at the time. They took a chance and then it was so sold out. It was Felix Tour, I think it was. It was Felix who said, well, why don't we do two? Can you do a matinee show? No, on the same night? No.
The night before.
No, we did the night before,
And then,
Saturday night, and then Sunday, 2 shows at Araneta. That has to be the most, I think, hoping that we'll have better answers for you after this show. This should be one for the books as well because of how long it's been since we've done this. We're also excited to see who's coming. I mean, who's still there? Kahit hopya o hindi hopya. Who likes this kind of uniqueness on stage? This is real. This is not fake, it's not staged, nothing. It's
hopefully whether they really know our story or if they followed it or if they're clueless, hopefully the songs and the music that we make together are enough for them to watch us.
But to answer your question, Spain, 18 years ago.
Barcelona. Tsaka niya na lang siya interviewin later.
Huwag nang tanongin.
Oo, mamaya niya na tanongin.
Okay, meron pa bang, after this show, this concert, nagpaplano pa rin ba kayo na to have a concert with another artist?
Syempre.
Kahit sino pa
Yeah.
ang naiisip
Who do you want to work with? You?
I want to work with the girls again. I kind of miss, diba we did Divas for
That
Divas.
was nice.
That was fun. And I would love to do something like that again.
Regine, Jaja, Cool,
Yeah.
Pops.
It was nice to work with friends kasi in between, di ba, may mga chikahan portion, lalo na when you go on tour, and then we get to perform, so that's also fun. So something like that. I'm not sure if the girls will still allow us to do it again together, but maybe another group of girls, that would be fun too.
Say, well, with me, I'd like to work with Gary again. We did ask twice. I think we should do it one more time before we call it one last time. Ask one last time. Because I love working with Gary. We're complete opposites. I think the audience, it sounds weird, but he's like the male Pops for me. Because he dances, he gets keeps going. I'm the balladeer. You know, there's a good mix there, like what you see with Pops.
I've never worked with Gary, actually.
I was just gonna say, I thought you should do one with Gary. But also, I'd like to collab with some of these new songwriters. I don't think I've contributed enough of my own songs for original Filipino music. I mean, I don't want to leave this earth not knowing that I didn't give enough to Filipino music. I'm just not a good composer, so I'd like to collaborate with some of these gifted kids. Maybe they can teach me a thing or two. Maybe with our son Robin. Maybe because he's also a great songwriter. But he's not here. I keep telling him, you need to be here now. OPM is alive and kicking. So that's one thing I'd really love to do is collab with some of these kids today. They know what they're doing. Believe me. Sofronius, I don't know if he can write songs, but he's a great, not a reason to brag about Filipino singers through Sofronio winning the Voice USA. So it's very exciting times for the Filipino artists.
Yes. For the Filipinos, period.
Period.
Correct mo nga, Martin, was it you who was the artist who peed on stage?
I didn't pee, I always. Yeah.
It looked like
It looked like I peed.
Pero yun sa akin yung memorable.
I had a very quick costume change and my underwear was still wet. So all of a sudden it started coming out in my pants. My
Funny pa
underwear.
rin, funny pa rin.
But the first thing you also was right here. Hindi nyo nakita meron din dito.
Yes.
Sa ano. So,
Manipis kasi yung pantalon mo.
because if it's pee, it would be there too. Diba?
Nagkakala
Hindi
nila.
na sulat
Of all shows,
Yeah,
guess what the title was?
Yeah.
Dream.
Dream.
So after 2 nights, it was a 2-night show. Wet Dream. Great success. Headlines. Nandiyan yung Wet
Oh.
Dream.
Oo.
It's true.
Oo nga. Si Martin po, kala nyo kasi nagbibiro siya, pero si Mark, talaga nagbabasa siya ng mga Joya event tabloids. Pag dati kasi uso yung nagtitinda sa kalye, di ba?
Ako.
Si Martin tuwang-tuwa pag nata-traffic kasi binabasa niya yung mga Joya.
Ay,
Yung mga,
ano na ano yung mga
People's
Ako naman
Tonight.
natatakot ako magbasa noon. Kasi naka-experience na ako. Tawan-tawa ako dun sa blind item, affected ako. Hindi ko alam kung may napalagay pero sabi ko, sino naman itong couple na to? Naglolo ko daw yung, kami na pala yun. Sabi ko, shucks. Hindi ko alam. Grabe.
See?
Yeah. Pero ang maganda nga kay Pops and Martin, eto kanina pinag-usapan namin sa backstage. Kasi up to now naman may mga nagsusulat ng super positive, magaganda. May mga iba nagba-blind item na sinasabi nga nila na they don't wanna react with yung mga blind item, mga negatives. Kasi mas gusto po nilang i-appreciate yung mga positive na nasusulat, yung mga magaganda. Siyempre, mas thankful po sila doon. So, bakit sila mag-dwell sa mga negative? Kasi they always appreciate talaga ang support ko ng press sa kanila. Kaya nga, always pag may project sila, kung napapansin nyo, never sila hindi nagkaroon ng press conference. Kasi gano'n nila na-appreciate ang help ng entertainment
Oh,
press ni
malaki
Mark,
pa.
Pops. So,
Maski na meron na pong social media, I always tell June, no, June, we want a press con. And we all have to support each other, I feel. And this is how we started, and this is what we're used to, so this is what we will
Yes.
continue to do.
It's done well for us, so
Yes.
thank you so much.
Actually, noong December, na-touch nga ako kay Martin. Kasi si Martin, ako wala na talaga akong balak. May mga maliliit-liit ang mga Christmas party. Pero it was Martin na nagtanong sa akin, hindi ka ba magkakaroon this year? So, sabi ko, sige na nga. Kasi si Mark pa yung nag-follow up. And even Pops, ganoon din po. They're always nakaka-appreciate. They're always so generous sa press. Kunyari, pag may projects sila, they make sure po na may press conference, di ba? Even with itong cosmetic ni Pops, di ba? Talagang nag-press con siya, si Mark, lahat ng project niya. So, ako very thankful ako na hindi mo sila kailangan pilitin o ilapit sa press kasi sila mismo, they know that they really need the help of the entertainment press, the bloggers. Kaya nga sinabi nila, kahit may sarili silang social media accounts, hindi sila katulad, ang layo nila sa iba na umaasa na feeling nila it's enough to promote through our social media accounts. Sila talaga, inaasahan ko ang tulong nyo. Kaya, inaasahan ko namin ang tulong nyo for always and forever. Pops Fernandez and Martin Rivera's concert on February 7 at the MOA Arena. Pero ito, last question. Audrey Narvaez Rodriguez, and kasi mahaba na yung live streaming natin. Pero may iba, after Audrey Narvaez Rodriguez, may jacket po tayo para sa mga concert vloggers para makapag-interview din kayo kasi may mga iba lilipat na sa ibang press cons. So, okay, and then after last si Vince Almacel Corley's online show, Abante online show, na syempre makakapalit nung kay Johnny. So, Audrey, last question. Bago ang jacket.
Kasi di ba si Martin, kilala natin na lagi may song na kay sa mga anak na kaya sa akin. Isa sa mga touching moment ko sa huling concert ko noong September sa Araneta, yung Do It More With Your Son. So ang tanong ko, ano yung song niya? May napili na ba kayong song para kay Faith? Si
So,
Pops at si Martin.
Really good question kasi I asked myself, ako tempted ako. Marami ko sinusulat sa utak ko, pero sabi ko, it's time for his song.
Kahit hindi nyo sulat, yung mga existing songs na sa tingin nyo swak
That
para
one, I'll be there for you. That's why naging emotional yung song. Because it was a moment, I wrote that for my kids. And then now he's singing it to his kid. Oh my God.
Kaya
So it would be that song. I'll be there for you.
For now, makikishare mo na.
She left me the
Makikishare
paper.
mo. Wala pa kami. Never ako nag-compose.
Why don't you compose? Ang dami mo.
I get
Sabi
scared.
mga advice mo sa akin, maganda yung song niya. Tanggalin mo yung eyes.
Oh, what love is.
Yung mga mura.
Yan, abangan mo yan. Sige. Oh, wala akong ganun. Pero gagawa ako. Sige.
Kaya ba yan?
Di lang siguro ako confident in that department.
But you get the point, right? It should be Robin writing those
Tama,
songs now.
tama.
Regardless
Yes.
if I want to write the song.
For all you know, baka may song na si Kuya. Hindi
Oh,
lang.
he was writing one already. You'll hear it soon, baka this year. He wrote one, I think more than one, for his son.
Hintayin po namin. May pahabol daw sa mga...
Ay, yes, Miss Lenny Saltero. Yan, hindi pa siya patagbo kay, Jemuel, ha? Nakita niyo talaga.
As a lollipop, doesn't the wife of Robin want to feel jealous whenever you're there and spoil Finn?
We're rarely there. So I don't think so. No, I think she also is very happy that we get to spend time with them and with Finn, and she totally understands it.
Welcomes it.
Even her family is very, very
You
nice.
love Faith.
Actually, ang saya kasi I like that her family is also very clannish. They're a huge family in Chicago and they always get together. I was in some of their get-togethers and nakinig ako kasi nga sabi ko, oh, at least Robin and Finn are in very good hands because napaka-solid ng family niya. Thank you. Thank you again. John, papasalamatan lang natin
Yeah.
syempre yung mga sponsors namin. No?